Looking for a local plumber to install your water softener? Here at Plumber of Tucson, we've been installing water softeners for 15 years. And in this quick video, we'll go over some details regarding a water softener installation, and we'll also share with you what we've seen to be the best water softener for Tucson water. With our many years in business, we have experience installing numerous softeners, such as GE, Whirlpool, Krystal Pure, and even salt-free systems like the Pelican and Aqusana. Our vast experience allows us to see what systems have the best performance, most longevity, and which systems are most efficient using less salt and less water during backwashing. Because of our experience, many people ask us, what water softener do we recommend? Well, when looking for the right softener, it's advantageous to select a system that is manufactured locally. This will get you a softener that is specific to your water supply. And since modern softeners are now capable of filtering the water to remove chemicals and contaminants, we usually recommend an all-in-one combination water softener and filtering system.
The Green Fusion water softener and filter is selected by our customers as the best water softener for Tucson water. This is because it's locally manufactured and made specifically for our water quality in Arizona. It combines multiple levels of media to soften the water while removing chemicals and contaminants. Additionally, the Green Fusion is one of the lowest cost combined whole house softener and filters you'll find.
If you want to discuss water softeners for your home or have questions regarding a specific unit, reach out to us today. We'd love to help. And as always, thanks for watching.